Hello, hello. Daddy JC here.
Mommy Milen here.
And we're so blessed that our daughter Yana got to be part of this eye level journey. And maybe that's something that we can share with you, our experience, our testimony. Maybe we can actually start, no, Milen, on how has the eye level program positively impacted Yana in her learning experience.
Before enrolling at I level, Yana is struggling in learning math. She loses her patience and gives up easily when answering math problems. That's why we're very grateful to I level for teaching her to be more patient and learn the concept of hard work by completing the worksheets on time. And by answering the worksheets, not only did she learn ways and techniques in solving math problems, but it also taught her to do it independently.
And maybe we can also share with them some specific ways on this program on how it has helped Yana excel in school. Maybe we can share also particular moments, achievements that stands out, no, as a result of this program.
We're very happy because Yana improved a lot in her math subject in school. She even excelled in her math subject now. And we're very happy because Yana just received a Star Student of the Month in I level just this October. We're so thankful to I level because it really boosted her confidence. I remember during her online classes before, I noticed that Yana is hesitant to answer during recitations in math because she's not sure of the answer. But now, just after 6 months of being with I level, she's very confident now in reciting.
Yes, and that's why good job, Yana. Good job to the teachers, no, Teacher Mar, and to I level. Maybe in closing, we can share with them how has I level made the educational journey more manageable and enjoyable for Yana.
Yana would always ask me, Mommy, when are we gonna go to I level? She's always looking forward to go to her high level classes every week. Not only is she excited to learn, but also to see Teacher Mar and the other students. I also love how Teacher Mar involved us parents in Yana's learning journey by giving immediate feedback after their class. This is very helpful kasi we were given practical tips and ideas on how we can support Yana more on her learning journey.
And that's why thank you, Teacher Mar. Thank you to the team and again to I level. Imagine in just a matter of 6 months,
6 months.
we were able to see the growth, the improvement, the development with Yana, and that's why we're looking forward to the journey ahead. Maraming salamat, I
I level. Thank
level. Thank
you.
you. Yana?
Thank you, I level. You're the key. Mwah.
Thank you.